Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can make your own designs without any knowledge, without any skills of graphic designing using Canva.com. So this is a platform where you can make your designs without having skills, without having knowledge of graphic design. So you can here sign up with your email, Facebook or Google. You can enter your name and email and set a password and get started, and it's free. I have already signed up, so I will log in to my account. Sorry, due to my internet connection, it is taking time. So here's the home page. You can see the dashboard of your Canva.com. Here you can search what are you looking for. You can make any design from these templates. You can make animated social media presentation, poster designs, photo, college, Facebook ads, business cards, book covers, magazine covers, and many more. I will show you how you can make this type of designing in less than 5 minutes. So I already opened the tab from animated social media. Here enter search for free. There are also paid ones, so you can search for free to get the free templates and select one. Now the beauty of Canva is you can make and design your own way. We don't need these cat and this stuff. So what I will do is I am using my own photo here. Set whatever you wish. Changing the text from here. Please share and like this video. If you want more like these videos, I will continue to make tutorial videos on this. You can delete this text from here, and we are increasing the size of that. Show your glove. Okay, so we can also change the background. Here you can click here. You can select from these colors as well as click on plus sign and make your own line. Whatever you're looking for. This is also looking good. If you want to change color of this white background. You can do this from here and see it's changing. White looks good. If you want to change the text color, you can click here and change color from black, red, yes, blue. Yeah, that's nice. I just rotate this. And here you go, your design has been ready. You can do and play whatever you want to do. Change this text, color, fonts, style, anything, this design, anything you want, you can do this. Okay, and now you can download this in video format as well as PNG, JPG and PDF as well. I will download in PNG file. Click download, close, save it, and so you can see here's our design we just created, and there's no watermark as well. So you can make your own designs and can also sell these designs on freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, or anywhere, or you can make your own designs for your videos or as personal interest. I said. So yes, we will continue to make more designs in my next video. So thank you very much, and please like and share this video if you like, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.